Let's look at two of the best forehands in the men's game over the last 10 years. Steve Johnson and Taylor Fritz. Both are hitting inside-out forehands here. Watch as they move around the ball. Their footwork is impeccable. They specifically address the ball and load the swing off that back right foot. Here is the secret. As that left foot steps forward, the swing is already fully loaded. Notice that left foot is slightly to the side so it doesn't block the right hip. Because they load in perfect balance, when they drive through that right leg, everything is connected. The kinetic chain fires perfectly. The legs, the hips, the torso, and then the shoulder pulls the arm through with the wrist lagging behind. They compress the ball with massive energy. Now look at the finish. Johnson stays down through the shot while Fritz rotates and comes up off his feet, but it doesn't matter if they stay down or come up. What matters is their absolutely impeccable balance. Their balance transfers perfectly from one leg forward through to the next leg, maintaining the complete integrity of their hips and torso. That perfect, balanced foundation is what allows them to compress the ball.